What is going on, pro cutters? Got you on super view, getting ready to put you on my head via the head mount because I'm gonna cut down a dead tree that's overhanging the she shed. What could possibly go wrong, right? Check this thing out. All right, so never mind the ladder. I've moved that out of the way, but I put it on the dead tree where you see that orange strap tied to. And that tree goes up directly over top of the she shed, and it is stone dead this year. It was mostly dead last year, but had a little green left on it. So I didn't mess with it last year. But now it's got to come down before it falls down, because it'll definitely damage that shed. So I've got to rig it because, you know, it's leaning over the shed and we want it to fall this way, not the way it wants to fall. So we've got to force it another direction. So I'm going to throw you on the head mount and then we're going to get this thing rigged up. All right. And I've got it on super view because I don't want to I don't want you to miss anything. So I'm putting this clevis on here because you really don't want to just have a hook and a chain link like that, because you'll wind up getting it stuck. So you want a better anchor point than that, and the clevis gives you that. So now I just want to pull up this slack a little bit. I'm not really trying to jack the tree at all yet. First thing we're going to do is notch the side of the tree we want, the direction we want it to fall. So I've got my HUSQVARNA 450 Rancher. I ran a file over the blade real quick. Still needs to be replaced, but should be fine for this little tree. It's not a big tree. Not a big tree at all. So so now I've got my notch cut. Here's where it starts to get hairy. Now we're going to go put tension on it so we can kind of lift it this way. Now I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't go halfway through with my notch. I went probably a third of the way through, just because with that tree being stone dead, I didn't want to risk it. I can already see that thing is just shaking like crazy. Oh, there went a branch. Okay, so my strap was on a small branch. Let me take a look at this before I keep cranking, just to see where we're at. Because if this thing breaks off, I'm gonna have some she shed repairs. Man, part of me wants to hook the damn truck to it and just rip it down. I don't know. Let's keep winching it. You see, I've got a strap anchored to this tree over here. Let's see what we got here. We've still got a tiny bit over the shed. This is real sketchy. Well, guys, I suppose I'm gonna go for it here. So I guess if you see this video uploaded, you know it was successful. And if you never see the video, you know I got fucking hurt bad. it got a little bit of a crack. I dang heard it and felt it. Not sure if it transferred through the camera or not, so I don't know if you guys heard it, but I was getting out of there. All right, I'm about maxed out. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get the Raptor, fellas, and I'm gonna hook the Raptor to that chain, and I'm gonna pull this tree down. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Got a video of me in the mirror. We're gonna go ahead and shift into neutral, put the Raptor into four-wheel low because we want maximum traction. And I'm also gonna lock the rear differential. All right, let's hook it up. Make sure we're on. We are on. All right, guys, so the Raptor's got tow hooks on the front of it, and I'm gonna hook the chain as short as I can hook it so I can have maximum distance away from this stuff. And we're gonna try and ease the tree down via the truck. Cut my radio off so we don't get copyright dinged. All right, here we go. And I just want to go easy. Here she comes. Boom. All right. And you know what I'm going to do is pull it up as far as I can, and now we'll go ahead and come along is off. That's good. We can go ahead and take off our clevis. Now the handy part about that is come along's already all wrapped up. So pull this anchor strap off. I'm just going to take and throw this right in the garage. Okay, guys, so I've got the come along off and the strap off. Now I've tightened the chain up, and we'll try and pull the tree up the hill a little bit. This is why you always keep a chain in your truck, guys. That way when you need it, you have it. Well, looks like a couple of small branches broke off and landed on the roof of the she shed, but thankfully those are small enough to where no damage to the shed was caused. So I'll just move my ladder over there and pop those branches off, and we'll be good to go. But most importantly, the threat now is gone, because if that whole tree would have landed on the shed, it would have did a number on it. All right. God bless. Got to adjust my leg back up here. Guys, if you live anywhere where you don't have a lot of flat ground, this leveler ladder is the ticket. that's it. You can see my cupola is already getting real bad water damage. That's what happens when you build something with leftover plywood and it's not exterior grade stuff. But like Viper 6 always says, it is what it is. Alright, now this blade is fucked for sure. God bless, man. I am excellent at getting a saw stuck in a log. Probably the best that I know. Guess I gotta go get the other saw. Guys, this Stihl going through here like butter shows you how dull this Husky is. Because everybody knows a Husky is faster than a Stihl. All right, now let's see if I can get my strap off of here. Seeing how I tied it on like a effing savage. It should come off though. I only did a damn overhand knot on it, but I wrapped it around the tree twice so it would grab onto itself. Yeah, I'm gonna need a damn pick to get that apart. But I can get it off of the log. There we go. Now I might be able to get it apart. It was slightly wet. And I can tell you right now, if I leave this knot without taking it out now and it dries, chances of it ever coming apart are slim to none. Here it goes. Boom. And the strap lives to strap another day. All right, guys. Fat Sweaty Betty signing out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bless you guys.